Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials, power and Bluetooth. Make sure your AirPods Max have charge and are powered on, then open Bluetooth on the device you want to pair. Press and hold the noise control button until the LED flashes white. That puts the headphones into pairing mode so your device can see them. Once done, look for AirPods Max in the Bluetooth list and tap to connect. This immediate step enables discovery and initiates the secure exchange needed for audio streaming. After tapping the AirPods Max entry, follow on-screen prompts to pair. You might need to accept permissions for calls, media, or microphone. If you're on iPhone and signed into iCloud, the headphones will sync across your other Apple devices automatically, which saves time. Make sure the same Apple ID is used. Then verify output. Open Control Center or System Preferences and choose AirPods Max as the audio output so sound routes correctly. This ensures both pairing and system selection are finished properly. You're almost done. Test playback, check call audio, and toggle noise canceling or transparency to confirm functionality. If the AirPods Max won't connect, reset them by holding the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing memory and often fixes stubborn issues. Once reset, re-enter pairing mode and reconnect. If problems continue, update your device OS and AirPods Max firmware when available. Modern updates fix many compatibility and latency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.